Good morning. On this particular video, I'm going to show you how we simply made a 200% gain on NASDAQ. Now, this was just this past Friday. So I try to come in here, give you guys a daily update, strategy video update, Monday through Friday. So if you want to kind of just continuously get better, this is where you want to be. Now, before I continue and actually show you what we did, how we did it, which is the most important thing, right? I want to show you exactly what we do here every morning. My name is Kirby Keelan, and I have a few things for you, right? So you can come and trade with me again Monday through Friday. This is a setup room. So what's going on is essentially I'm giving you guys a breakdown every morning on NASDAQ, EURUSD, and SPY. Right, so I want to cover different things. I know some of y'all trade futures and indices and also Forex and also options. So I'll give you three different things that you can come over here and trade at. If you want to begin trading with me and getting these setups every day, it costs a month. It is $64.99. And if you want the Gold Zone Tier 2, it is $130 a month. So each morning it will look something like this. Every morning you'll see a date update. Make sure the date is up to date on whatever today's date is, right? Over here we have the Trading View broker. Make sure we're in the same broker. This is not financial advice. And what I do is every morning I give a screenshot of the gold zone. Like, what is our key level? Where are we going to be trading at? And then I create a video and I'm going to tell you exactly how to trade at these points, right? So now you're not just kind of in the dark. You just know where we're going to trade at from the screenshot. But now I'm going to share with you in this video on exactly how we're going to actually take the trade. Okay. So now let's get into the trade itself on NASDAQ. So on Friday, we'd have this uptrend. Now on Fridays, you have to be kind of careful because understand that the weekend is coming up. So if you was thinking about staying in the trade for longer, you want to be careful with doing that because of course it is the weekend and price begins to slow down Friday afternoons a lot. So you just want to be careful. But we did have this uptrend. I'm going to delete this. We did have this clear uptrend right now. The whole structure of the market is in the uptrend, right? But I that's cool to know, but I'm really not concerned with that. I really want to know what's going on now. Like, what is happening right here in this key level? What is the channel that's happening, right? And what we have is we have this uptrend right here. We're simply going to bring this right up here, right? Now, Kirby, I know the question. Well, why would you do that? Because price is respecting these key levels. You want to find key levels where price is truly respecting, right? This is what I like to call the gold zone system. All right. So you got price respecting here. You also got, if I zoom in some, you can also see price is respecting this key level right around here. So we got this nice bounce and then break. So we know that this trend line is a strong key level. So guess what this would be? This would be considered our gold zone. So because this is our gold zone, y'all, I only want to trade at this one spot. Literally, this strategy is so simple. We're literally going to be patient and let price get to this key level here. All right, that's all we're going to do. And boom, price broke, pushed up, and eventually it got to our gold zone, which was sitting up here. All right, now I know you see me put this green circle here, but that green circle is just the indicator that this is a gold zone. This whole trend line is a gold zone. So what we would do, or what we did, was stop losses at 30, and this was all talked about, pre-planned before price ever got to the gold zone area, right? And boom, that's all she wrote. Price pushed down here. This was a 2-to-1, and that was it, y'all. It's literally just that simple. You don't have to catch every move in the market. You just want to start to begin to trade only at key levels. Now, I want to show you one more thing too, because this was also a part of what I explained that morning for everyone that actually took this trade. Now, I explained to you guys that on this particular morning that this trend line here was the safest gold zone today. Like, this was the best gold zone, but you could have got a quick squeeze out of here. You could have got this one a little. And I told you guys that this one was going to be a bit of a long shot. but we had a potential, right? This was a potential one where we could simply see price break out of this key level, come back to respect this, goes on for a push back up, and price did break. Price came back right here, boom, and we had stop loss down at 30. And literally, this candle came and stumped us out on this one candle. It's absolutely crazy. This one candle came, stumped us out, and price pushed up to our gold zone, which would have ended up being a 3-to-1. But guys, this happens sometimes. Whenever you are trading, there's some setups that are simply better than other ones. Some are safer than other ones, but you can sometimes take advantage of the ones that are a bit of what I like to call a long shot. Right now, this is a long shot. We don't always want to take these long shot trades just because if we have a safer one, we want to try to stick to the safest gold zones, the safest gold zone at all times. Just trade wisely. But yeah, that is going to be it. Bye.